The 2020-21 NCAA Division I FCS football season, part of college football in the United States, is organized by the National Collegiate Athletic Association at the Division I football championship subdivision level. The regular season and postseason are being impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic in the United States. Multiple FCS conferences moved their scheduled games from the fall of 2020 to the spring of 2021. And in August 2020, the NCAA announced that the FCS postseason would also be delayed, while the NCAA at one point announced a cancellation of the FCS playoff. In late September, a revised playoff schedule was announced, with the FCS championship game to be played in May 2021. Presbyterian will play the 2020-21 season as an FCS independent before joining the non-scholarship FCS Pioneer Football League in 2021. It will remain a full but non-football Big South member. Robert Morris, which moved from the football-sponsoring Northeast Conference to the non-football Horizon League in July 2020, was originally intended to join Big South football in 2021. But after the conference moved its football season from fall 2020 to spring 2021, Robert Morris was added several months ahead of schedule. The 2020-21 season will be the last for Bethune-Cookman, Florida A&M, and North Carolina A&T in the Mid-Eastern Athletic Conference. On July 1, 2021, Bethune-Cookman and Florida A&M will move to the Southwestern Athletic Conference and North Carolina A&T will move to the Big South Conference. On January 14, 2021, the Western Athletic Conference, which had last played football in the 2012 season as an FBS league, announced that it would reinstate football in the fall 2021 season as an FCS league. This coincides with the arrival of 4 new members from the Southland Conference, all located in Texas and fielding FCS football programs: Abilene Christian, Lamar, Sam Houston State, and Stephen F. Austin. Original plans were for the 4 Southland members, as well as Big Sky Conference member Southern Utah, to join in 2022, at which time the football league would restart. However, the entry of the Texas schools in the restart of football were moved forward to July 2021 when the Southland chose to expel its departing members. These schools will join Dixie State and Tarleton State, which joined the All Sports WAC in July 2020. In the revived WAC Football League, Southern Utah's entry remains on the original July 2022 schedule. On the same day, UTRGV, currently a full but non-football WAC member, announced that it planned to launch an FCS football program no later than 2024. While it did not mention a conference affiliation, its existing WAC membership makes it all but certain that the school will join WAC football. On January 29, 2021, the Atlantic Sun Conference announced that it too would begin sponsoring FCS football in 2022, with its first 5 members being full members: Kennesaw State and North Alabama, Eastern Kentucky and Jacksonville State from the Ohio Valley Conference, and Central Arkansas from the Southland Conference. ACU, JSU, and UCA will play football in the WAC for the 2021 season before moving to the ASUN for 2022. The following playing rule changes were approved by the NCAA Playing Rules Oversight Panel for 2020. The regular season began on Saturday, August 29 with a game involving 2 FCS teams. There have been 2 FCS victories over an FBS team in 2020-21. One FCS team has lost to a non-D team in 2020-21, due to the MEAC cancelling all fall sports for the 2020 season. The MEAC SWAC Celebration Bowl was cancelled. In late September 2020, the NCAA announced that the FCS postseason would take place in April and May 2021. Also announced was a reduction of participating teams from 24 to 16. With 10 automatic qualifiers, the first round of the playoffs is scheduled for April 24, with the championship game on May 15 or 16. This is restricted to coaching changes that took place on or after May 1, 2020. For coaching changes that occurred earlier in 2020, see 2019 NCAA Division I FCS end of season coaching changes.